In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Polene discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Polene discount codes. Right here, go to this website which is called wordpenny.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with up to 35% discount off your first order, all you need to do is select this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can simply tap copy right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply this promo code on your first order in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called Technology, and as you can see, we also have some promo codes right here that can provide us some discounts. For example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with $150 off, simply select get codes from right here, and as you can see, we have right here a list with promo codes. You can simply just search for the Polene promo code discount. You can copy that promo code and you can apply it on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.